So in this video, I'm gonna put a banner on top of my windshield, and you guys can do it at home if you want to. So in order to do that, you want to clean this with soap and alcohol after, and then let it just like evaporate
Before
you put this on. Yeah. And then you want to use the edge. You want to use the edge so it's nicely cut, because you don't trust yourself if you cut it yourself unless you put it all down, measure it, and then cut it with a razor blade. But I'm just gonna put this one here and probably go down this much here. You want to measure this side and that side, and then just put it on from the middle and squeegee your way out to the sides. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on and show you guys after, because it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so I went ahead and measured so many times, from inside, from outside. You see this? This is from inside. You put the I put the visors down to see how much he blocks my view, because I'm used to that, like seeing that, because you just put it down when the sun is in your face, and then according to that I put my line, because I don't want it to be too low or too high. And this is a little bit lower than the visors like end right here. I want a little lower here. The top's gonna be all the banner. This is straight, which I'm pretty sure if the banner sits in, this side's gonna curve down, since it's like this, if that makes sense. It goes like this, but then it curves down, so from here it starts going down a little, because it's curving down. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you've seen any other cars with the banner, it's gonna look like that, unless the banner's coming up to the sides, so when you lay it down it goes straight. But this is I'm doing it myself, so it doesn't matter. I'm cool with that, how it's gonna look. If you want to go a little extra, you can do cross measurements and everything, but I have measuring tape. I measured here and here, and then measuring from the top to the bottom, these two, and then I connected all of them and just measured every, like, what, 10 centimeters. Measure from top to down, top to down, top to down, top to down. It's 19 centimeter from the top to here, about 19 centimeters or millimeters? 19 centimeters, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know how's that gonna work out, but I'm gonna lay the vinyl from the middle and then squeegee out, but from the middle I want to make sure it's lining up with that. If you only do one point here, it could be sitting like this a little bit, like one side down, but you're not gonna notice it. So make sure lay it down like this much, and then make sure these line up. But I'm gonna mock it up, see how it looks and everything, and then put it on. It's better to have someone with you, but I'm just doing it alone, so we'll see how it goes. And I'll just update you guys when it's on, because everyone knows how to put on wrap. Again, start from the middle and then to the side. You don't want to heat it up. You shouldn't need to heat it up. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with alcohol one more time before I do it. Alright, it's on. Boom. Over here I did it with the razor blade, and anything that was not like extra, I put my finger in it, kind of lift the molding up, and then tuck this underneath the molding if any spot is like that. You don't want to do that because it's kind of hard to do, and you might break these if your car is way too old. Mine's not that bad, except here. Yeah, it's on. Looks good. Just don't do it at night, and when you're doing this, have this side, do middle, out, middle, out, squeegee like that. No bubbles, no nothing, but you want to do yours in the daytime, because that's way easier, because if you mess up you can see. But I'm like confident in what I do, even though I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so I just did it knowing that no bubbles were on. I just used flash in some spot. And then this is the inside view, and kind of gives a perspective. This is where this ends, the visor ends, if it's all the way up, this much more, but it's like angled, so this much more. If you have it up like this, then no one does this. So yep, I kind of lost that much view, but it's okay because my car is low anyways. Actually, yeah, that doesn't help. Never mind. But yeah, looks good inside and outside. Some people put stickers here, but I ain't doing that shit. That shit jank as fuck. I could put some sticker on top of here. Not gonna do that. It's just nice and clean look. I love it. You can also just do tint shading down. Tint over there and then shade down. Fade down as it comes down. But I just went with the banner because I had some laying around. I just like how it looks. I would have done it a little bit more low, but that's just in the long term. I know it's gonna mess me up just to make it look more aggressive, but yeah. And this thing goes up here, boom, and it goes on top of here little, I'm pretty sure, but shouldn't be a big deal. But it looks good. Yeah, that's about it. And I went and heated up after it was done to make sure it all sticks, especially especially the edges. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I can answer for you if you're trying to do this. But this looks good. First time doing it, but couldn't be more happier. Thank you for watching. That's about it.